I feel that the market of Laravel devs is shifting from Vue to React. Let me show you a few proofs that I found. First, on Twitter, Taylor Otwell stated that for both Cloud and Nightwatch, they use React here. So this is the tweet about Laravel Cloud, and then also for Nightwatch, the reply mentioned React as well. So they don't use Vue.js or Livewire for their products. The reason for that, on one podcast, Taylor explained it. Ecosystem of libraries and UI components is richer on the React side. So that's one point of data. Laravel use React in their own products. Also, to kind of prove the point, I made a poll just this morning, just a few hours ago, but already 1,000 votes. What do you use, guys, React or Vue? And Vue is number one, but don't make wrong conclusions from that. Let's read the replies to that tweet. One reply, I prefer Vue, but React has won. Mobile app, React Native. There's no Vue Native for mobile apps. Also, Steven says, I prefer Vue, but React ecosystem is greater. Another opinion, React because of big community. Also, Muhammad says, prefer Vue, but React is mentioned in more job posts, so that's another argument. Similar position by Lauren here, Vue is nicer, but React won if you want to get hired, which is, I guess, more important than nice. And I will finish the argument with a tweet that summarizes it all. I prefer Vue, I use React. So my prediction and gut feeling is that in State of Laravel Survey 2025, by Tobias Petri, the numbers will change. For front-end reactivity, we already see Vue.js dropping to 54% from 64%, and React slowly climbing to 26%. I predict in 2025 the numbers will be higher for React and even lower for Vue. At least in my poll, the numbers are 47 to 36. Of course, it's just my audience, but with 1,000 votes, I guess we can make some conclusions from that.